I recently just got back from a trip to Oslo and I really wanted to highlight the Radisson Blu Scandinavia Oslo Hotel. This is the absolutely beautiful lobby that you're welcomed with when you first enter the hotel. There's also a little shop in here too, which is really handy. We made our way to our room and honestly, this room was absolutely massive. So this is the bedroom and the bed was huge. We also had a little couch, a big TV. The room was so spacious. We had lots of room. It was so comfy and honestly, just absolutely incredible. The views on this day were not the best because of the weather, but in a few days the sun came out and it was stunning. Our bathroom was also a great size, the shower was huge, and this room also came with a fridge and a safe, a kettle and lots of tea and coffee for you to make your drinks in the morning, which is so good. I really couldn't get over the size of this room, it was absolutely massive and it was just so great. The room rate that we had also included a breakfast. Here's my very random breakfast plate, but I will show you all the breakfast options now. There was lots of breads, there was muffins, cakes, so much choice. Honestly, one of the best hotel breakfasts I think I've had for a very, very long time. Lots of fresh fruit and there was cheese, there was continental options. They also had the brunost, the Norwegian brown cheese, which is really nice. If you are going to Norway, you have to try it. But there were so many cold meats and the hot food was amazing too. They had these pancakes and then you were on to your cooked breakfast. So you had your tomatoes, beans, there was mushrooms, sausages, egg, you name it, they had it. It was really, really nice and such a good selection. They also had alternative milks and butter. They had some gluten-free options as well, which is always good to know if you are travelling with intolerances or allergies. There was lots of gluten-free options here too. Different cereals, breads, everything like that, they had it. So it's good to know that they have those options. They also had lovely fresh juices and that smoothie was honestly so lovely. I had that every single morning. And you have your juice too, some water that they had cucumber in it. I kept filling my water bottle up from here in the mornings because I love the taste of the cucumber water. They had a coffee machine and also a tap where you could get sparkling water as well. There was variations of tea. You could make yourself a pot of tea if you wanted to. The hotel also has a fitness suite and a swimming pool and a sauna. So we actually went down to use the pool and the sauna. I did have a quick look in the gym just to see what it was like whilst there was no one in it, and there was lots of options. A really good hotel gym, I would say. They have lockers down there too, so you can keep your stuff nice and safe. This was the sauna. It was quite small, but there is showers in here too, so if you wanted to have your sauna, you can go straight out into the shower. Then you can head through to the swimming pool. My mum and I done exactly that. We went into the sauna. It was so nice, so relaxing. It was spotlessly clean as well, and we just chilled in here for a while and then we went and had a dip in the pool. I never filmed the whole pool area because there was children at the other end of the pool, and of course I absolutely was not going to film that, but the pool was spotlessly clean. They also had a water machine in the gym where you could fill your water bottle with sparkling water. I really love sparkling water, so I was so happy to find that. It was so good. The hotel is also perfectly located right next to a tram stop as well. We're just saying goodbye to our room. We're so sad to be leaving. It's been so nice here. I would definitely recommend this hotel if you're coming to Oslo. That was the day we checked out. We left our luggage in the luggage store whilst we went back into the city and had a wander around. We were so sad to leave. We absolutely loved our stay here. If you're travelling to Oslo, please check out my other Oslo videos. I have videos from each day of our trip and we got up to so much. So please check them out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I have got some Prague content coming soon, so stay tuned for that and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.